This is the tree that we're going to be decorating for Christmas in my dining room. It's a 7-foot pencil cashmere tree. And for those of you that had seen my fall videos, I actually decorated this tree for fall. So since that time, I've decided to add a tree collar, and I like this because it looks like a piece of silver jewelry. I recently purchased this tree collar from Walmart.com. This is a quick overview of all the items that I have gathered to decorate this tree. I am not going to use all of them, but it's always good to have a assortment of items at your disposal. Now these Santas here with the dollar tags, I bought those last year on clearance for 50 cents a piece. Aren't they adorable? And these are all the items here that are old items that I've had and been collecting for the past 2 years. This is a new item. My husband purchased these adorable gingerbread guys for me from River Pottery. And please stay to the end. I have a short clip of our visit there. So this year I decided to add ribbon to my gingerbread themed Christmas tree. And here I am trying out a new ribbon technique that I learned. So we'll see how it goes. To create this ribbon effect, I start by looping my ribbon, and then I add a short tail and I cinch it into each of the bristles on the tree, and then I cut it at a diagonal angle. This will be my 3rd year adding a gingerbread themed Christmas tree into my home. And it is truly a wonderful tree to have in your home because it's full of whimsy. It is so much fun, and it caters to children and the children at heart. I started my gingerbread collection one year. We had the Aces store, and it went out of business. And when I found out about it, everything was on a super clearance, probably 90% off. And I just happened to go in the store and I found some little gingerbread Christmas ornaments. So that's what started the whole idea of the gingerbread themed Christmas tree. So I was just giving you an overview of what the tree looks like after I have completed this new ribbon effect. So now I've moved on and I'm working on the topper for this tree, and I'm just fluffing out all of the loops on this bow that I created, and this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to take these little gingerbread guys and add them onto this topper. So here I'm adding more visual interest to the crown of this tree by adding these peppermint candy picks underneath the bow to elevate this look. So here I'm just showing you that I'm going to use all the Santa Claus ornaments to fill in any empty spaces in this tree. More gingerbread. Yes, please. This is day number 2, and as you can see, I've added some garland along the top and size of the pantry that is in the dining room. And I just finished fluffing it all out. So now I'm just going to start decorating it by adding some ribbons and some other things that I may find. This is the ribbon that I've chosen to use. I am going to be lacing this throughout the entire garland, and this coordinates well with the tree that I have in the dining room. So I've started adding in my ribbon here, and as you can see, I've done 3 loops. I'm letting it drape down, and I'm going to tuck it in to the side branches here. And I'm going to continue to lace this throughout the entire garland. So now we have ribbon on each end, and I'm reusing the ribbon that I've used before. So that's why the lengths are a little bit different, but that won't matter because once I start lacing all the ribbon, everything will work out and it will look like it's supposed to. So now I'm just showing you the progress and what I'm doing right now so that you can see that it takes some time to get your Christmas decorations up, and that if it's going to turn out beautiful, you have to go through the steps and the processes to get it done. So right now I'm just finishing lacing up my ribbon there. And as you can see, I'm not quite finished. Right in here, I'm not finished. So I got to finish lacing it all the way through. And then I'm going to have to put some down here as well. And so, yeah, that's where I'm at. So this is my progress so far. I decided to add in a second layer of ribbon, and I'm going to give you a closer look here. And I just decided to go ahead and add in this red, white, kidney stripe ribbon because I felt that this ribbon by itself wasn't popping to me. So when I added this is giving me the look that I need. So I just need to finish the ends here, and I'll be right back. Stay tuned. So I've got the sides done. So that's the left side, and that is the right side. So now I'm going to add some fairy lights. So now my fairy lights have been added, and it's better to add your lights before you add the ribbon, but I made it work. Okay, so I'm gonna add these little white ornaments here, very simple. I might add some of these berries. I had considered adding some of these little gold ones in here. So I'm gonna try these out and we're gonna get started. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do some clusters of 3 in the gold, red, and white. So I'm gonna use these little gingerbread men because I had a pack left over from decorating the tree, and I'm gonna see how this looks. So we've added our little gingerbread men, and I'll give you a closer look. I decided to move some furniture around by adding this club chair. I decorated with a simple white faux fur, a pinstripe pillow, and this red joy pillow to complete this entire look in the dining room. And this pantry is only used for seasonal decor items. Now we have arrived at New River Pottery. I didn't get an opportunity to explore the entire store because my husband was with me, but I was able to gather some clips of our visit to the store. This is the first Christmas tree that I saw after entering the store. This was a gorgeous traditional red and green tree. I love this cardinal ribbon here and all the rich red poinsettias and the humongous white hydrangeas laced throughout. I like the accents of cardinals, the lanterns that were hidden in between, and this beautiful shade of green ribbon that was laced throughout. I did take the time to see what gingerbread items that New River Pottery was putting out this year, and I ran into this huge whimsical Christmas tree with all the red and white peppermint ribbons and accents of gingerbread. I thought this was a very over-the-top, whimsical, and fun Christmas tree. I want to thank you all for stopping by my channel today, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you would like to become a part of the Felicia by the Seasons family, just click that subscribe button and welcome new friend to this family. Until the next video, happy decorating. Bye, guys.